and welcome to my tutorial video about where I'm gonna show you how to really quickly and easily change the color of your layer. As you can see right here on the right hand side, I've got a few layers here separated, separating some colors that I blocked in of my character. As you can see here, these are the markings. This is the main. And for example, I am not happy with the color of the main right here. If I were to fill this right now with a color or a different color, you can see the edges of the drawing right here is becoming very hard and really, well, not very pretty. And to avoid that, I've got a little Photoshop hack that is called locking the pixels on the layer. And here above the layers are a few options, and for this we will pick the first option that says lock transparent pixels. You're gonna tick that box, and then you're gonna fill the layer again with color. And when I zoom in now, you can see that the edges are not hard and sharp anymore, but they are the same smooth line that they were before. So this is just something really quick and easy that I use all the time when doing my artwork in Photoshop, and I hope this little pointer will help you. So I hope you like this little pointer tip, whatever you want to call it, and I hope you like this video, and please follow my channel for more videos like this in the future.